Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site. In this short video, we will demonstrate how to insert a photo into our DIY funeral program template using our easy online editor. For this demonstration, we will be using our Harbor design. First, open your online editor template. A demo photo is automatically included as a placeholder image. Click once on the photo and a top navigation menu will appear. Click on the Replace Image. The Images menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Click on the Drag Files here, depicted with the cloud and up arrow icon. Select your photo from your device. Click Open and it will upload your photo to your online template. Your photo will now appear within the photo library. Click once on the photo thumbnail and your photo will now appear, replacing our existing image. Drag and pull the little blue corner boxes to enlarge your photo. Move it into place by clicking on the center to your desired location. Please use only JPEG formatted images for all photos that you want to insert into our online template. If you need to enhance your photo after inserting, click on the photo, and at the top menu bar, click on the wand icon. The Effects sidebar will appear on the right-hand side. Here you can choose to enhance your photo as needed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.